As Alpine gears up for the final year of production for the iconic A110, the brand is sending off its beloved sports car with a bang. The highlight of the 2025 lineup is the stunning A110 R, a limited edition model that pays homage to Alpine's 70th anniversary. Alongside it is the new A110 GTS, replacing the former A110 S and GT trims. This marks a pivotal moment for Alpine enthusiasts, as the A110 enters its final chapter before transitioning into an electric future. The A110 R is an incredible tribute to the French automaker's legacy, and it's based on the already thrilling A110 R. This special edition retains the powerful 1.8-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, pushing out 297 horsepower, which is more than enough for an engaging and spirited driving experience. With a focus on performance, the R70 shares the same chassis as the A110 R, ensuring the same agility and responsiveness. The body is a true work of art, dressed in carbon fiber components, including the hood, roof, rear window cover, rear spoiler, and even the 18-inch wheels. The carbon fiber construction helps to keep the weight down, enhancing the car's overall performance. But what sets the A110 R apart is its unique commemorative touches. Alpine has added a special 70th anniversary logo on the front fenders, door sills, and headrests, making this car a true collector's item. The monogram of the French flag is also present on the pillars and door cards, further emphasizing the car's deep connection to its French roots. Additionally, the numbered plaque inside the car marks its exclusivity. Buyers can choose from a variety of 10 exterior colors and 4 interior shades, with 7 options available for the brake calipers, allowing them to personalize their A110 R to their liking. For those seeking even more exclusivity, the tricolor edition of the A110 R offers a more distinctive look. Available only in Blue Caddy, Glacier Blanc, and Rouge Sismique colors, the tricolor edition includes matching wheels and a massive 70-year Alpine carbon fiber logo on the roof. These 3 shades were carefully selected as a tribute to an original photograph of an Alpine A106 Trio from 1955, marking the start of the brand's journey. Only 210 units of the tricolor edition will be produced, with just 70 units allocated to each of the 3 available colors, ensuring a rare and sought-after car for true Alpine fans. In addition to the A110 R, Alpine has introduced the A110 GTS, which replaces the A110 S and GT trims. The GTS version remains mechanically identical to the A110 S, featuring the same 297 horsepower engine and S chassis, but it boasts new exterior options. The GTS is available in 5 exciting new colors, including Peacock Blue, Acropolis Orange, Solar Orange, Eclipse Blue, and Steel Gray. It also comes with an optional aero kit, which brings the exterior design closer to that of the A110 R. The GTS is equipped with a new set of 18-inch GT race wheels and offers 6 different color options for the Brembo brake calipers. Inside, the GTS comes with a distinctive GTS gray leather interior, with optional black leather or colorful Alcantara seat options, giving the car a premium and sporty feel. The A110 GTS offers a blend of performance and style, appealing to those who appreciate Alpine's racing heritage but want a more refined, everyday driving experience. With production of the current A110 lineup winding down, prospective buyers have one last chance to secure one of these stunning models before Alpine shifts its focus to a new, fully electric generation of the A110 in 2026. The 2025 A110 lineup, including the A110 R, the tricolor edition, and the A110 GTS, represents a fitting conclusion to the legacy of one of the most iconic sports cars in the world.